All right, so welcome back, people, again to MG Sports TV, and we have some new stuff. Some new stuff we're gonna cover, and this will be weekly. Now, the Women Premier League, I'm gonna try my best where coverage is concerned. Unsure if I'm gonna be able to go the games them because at the same time when the Jamaica Women Premier League is gonna be played, I will be broadcasting the E no, the JEUL. What is that? Hmm. The JEUL. That is the Jamaica Elite U17 League. New. Tune in every single Saturday from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. to watch the Jamaica U17, or should I say Jamaica Elite U17 League. Now, let me make this clear. Not all U17 players in the island are not the, we don't have the best U17 players in the island as yet. We don't have all the best as yet. But tentatively, what is happening right now? We are on route to ascertain all the best U17 players in this league in preparation to the U17 World Cup. You saw the failure. Well, this is something brand new. This is something new. Unfortunately, this is week 3. If you guys would have tuned in from last week, Saturday, you would have seen I've already start covering the league. Hopefully you don't miss it. Don't miss it this time. All right. First, we're going to touch on the Jamaica Women Premier League. That's first. Then we're going to touch on the Elite League. So in the middle of the video, me get a phone call. Anyways, let's get back on track. All right, so most definitely, as I say, this league, something new. I watch I get things going. So first of all, as I say, we're going to start with the Jamaica Women Premier League. And a new brand look to the Jamaica Women Premier League. Brand new logo. Everything fresh. Fresh off the block, as you can see. Look at that. Fresh, clean. Clean. Let me see if I can bring you. I can see the logo. Look at the logo. Ooh, clean. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Anyways, let's get into some preview for the Jamaica Women Premier League. First of all, then we're going to get into the Elite U17 competition. I mean, I'll go have this small discussion on that. All right, so Team A, Team B, home team, away team. Fraser's Whip versus UWI women. Now, Fraser's Whip, I want to categorically known to be the best female team in the country. So expectations are quite high. Now, you will team kind of a lot of uncertainty surrounding the U team. I'm gonna like to see the U team because sometimes, even sometimes they are U, I'm not sure if the U team is a train, but I see one female team a train. But I'm not sure if the U team. Anyways, I do believe, undoubtedly, me I go in favor of Fraser's Whip right or something. And maybe I'll ask a question. I don't even think that even makes sense with the debate. It's the first game of the day. You would see the first game of the day. Game will start 3:30 at Anthony Sports Complex. It's going to be a double header. It's going to be live as well on the Jamaica Women Premier League YouTube channel. Go and watch it on your YouTube channel. Then we have Cavalier versus Arnett. This is actually quite a little bit of rivalry in the game. Yeah. For those who follow women football in Jamaica, these two teams, I'm not going to like each other, but there's a little bit of rivalry amongst each other when these two teams meet. Every time they meet. Every time I see them meet. I think at this present moment, I'm unsure of what Cavaliers are going to carry to the table. No, I think I'm going to go in favor of Arnett for this one, but it should be a good game. It should be a good game. I wonder what the turnout will be for this. I'm going to go in favor of Arnett for this one. Now I predict no scoreline. Yeah, women football scoreline. Crazy. Real Mobile versus Mile Gully FC. I have no clue about Mile Gully and I have no clue about Real Mobile. I haven't seen none of them played as yet. None whatsoever. So for that one, most me can say probably a nil or draw because I don't. I'm not sure. But it will be interesting to see. I do know that they have. I spoke with the coach, though. I spoke with the coach at the launch and stuff. So based off of what I must say, expectations are high, and things look quite fruitful so far. So that one is an unknown. Wi-Fi United versus Proven. No, I am happy. I am very, very happy to see Wi-Fi United and Proven big up on herself. Now, I've been broadcasting the Reynolds Cup, the Reynolds Shield for a good while now, and Wi-Fi United and Proven Girls have been a huge part of that competition. And to see them now partaking in the Jamaica Women Premier League, I feel proud to see this happening. I feel very, very proud to see this happening. And now, here comes the interesting part. No, Wi-Fi United, properly funded club. I mean, I tell her that properly funded club. Real nice pitch at Carter Park. But I think, based off of what I've seen over the time period, see Proven Girls. Every time I see Proven Girls play, you can see that they are a well coached team. They have some very, very good players. And you know, the team will just build and consistently improve. Then keep on getting better infrastructure, certain things are put in place. And it's a team I'm really, really like. Just watching them from the Reynolds Cup, it's a team I'm really, really like. And there are some good players. So I think for this one, I'm going to go with Proven. Just the fact that over the time period in the Reynolds Cup and the Reynolds Shield, Proven tend to be the better team as well, but kind of close. But me tip it in favor of Proven. Surprise, say Reynolds Academy never necessarily partake in this. Because if Reynolds Academy did partake in this, that would have been very, very interesting to see Reynolds Academy to be a part of it. I'm sure why. Will be interesting to see. So, Federal United FC, I am blank on that one. I'm really, really blank on that one as well. And also Los Profectos. Now, in due time, I will be able to give you guys a lot more details on this. A lot more details on this. It's fresh. I jump off my market. Last year, I did not see these teams in the league last year. No. Wi-Fi United was not a part of the league last year. Proven was not a part of the league last year as well. So, quite an interesting one. And I'm going to see what this one has to go. I'm surprised that Waterhouse couldn't field a team as well, because I thought Waterhouse had a team in the Reynolds Cup. They had a Reynolds Cup. Is the Reynolds Cup or Reynolds Shield? One of them. Anyone of them were under 20. Anyone of them what under 20? Yeah, I think I saw Waterhouse with a team in it. So that's quite interesting. Let's see how this one materializes. I'm quite excited to see. I'm really, really happy to see women football going back and forth. Now, I do have a problem where women football is concerned. Yes, I'm gonna be blatant. I'm gonna be blunt. Yeah, I'm gonna be very, very blunt. One of the biggest reasons why women football struggles so much is that women are not necessarily supportive in regards to football. Yes, they all talk of all the matter of equality, all this, but the women, they are not necessarily supportive. And this is a part of football that I think where the marketing aspect is concerned. Women football is a tight-knit group, and they don't really allow persons to come into the group just like that. But I do understand. I do understand the reason for that. But I'm very much hopeful. I'm really, really hopeful that them spread them wings a little bit more. And I'm not speaking about the organization. I'm speaking more so towards the players. If you look on the social media, the players are not necessarily active in the social media space. You know, like when I do man football, once one post go up, the man just a share post, just a share, and one clip just gone 300,000, 200,000, 400,000 views, 1 million interaction. That's one clip for a man. When it comes on to women football, them clip them one little thing and then post it on them post it on them status. And 90% of the time, the status private. And only who are them friend or who follow them can see it, so nobody really can share it per se. Them little things there. You know, them little things there. So those are some of the smaller details that kind of hold back women football a little bit. These are You have other systematical issues, but the controllable things where they can control these things, these little small things have to change. I know it might sound a little bit harsh, but it's a reality. This is what I'm talking. This is something that I've been doing one for a good while. I know this. I know this. You check out the ratio. There's so much females that follow me. Most of the females that follow me aren't necessarily football players. But if you check it out, these females don't follow female footballers. And when you check it out as well, a lot of the female footballers don't even follow the male footballers. So it's just them kind of segregate themselves. I don't know why. I don't know the reason for that, but we'll see how they go. Anyway, that's totally for a different discussion. But let's go to now to the JUEL, Jamaica Elite U17 League. First and foremost, we're going to look at the table. Let's have a look at the point standing. This is the point standing. These are the teams who are partaking in the league. These are the teams who are partaking in the league. Mount Pleasant Football Academy, top of the table, as you can see. Why? Top of the table at the senior level, and top of the table at the junior level. Arbor UFC, second. Cavalier FC, third. Montego Bay United, fourth. KFA, fifth. And Ballers at the bottom of the table. Quite an interesting one. All right. So, as it stands, this is game week. This was from game week 2. We're entering now into game week 3. Let's have a look at the results from game week 2. Let's have a look at the results. As you can see, Cavalier Montego Bay drew 0-0. In that game, I tell us it. Goalkeeper was man of the match, undoubtedly. Man of the match. He kept Montego Bay in the game. Cavalier was obviously the more dominant team. Obviously, in some aspect, the better team. But the goalkeeper for Montego Bay was brilliant. He was immaculate. Cavalier did got a penalty and threw it away. Well, technically, yeah. But the goalkeeper for Montego Bay, I have to say, one of the best U17 goalkeepers, one of the best youth goalkeepers I've ever seen. Apparently, he's a part of the senior setup at Montego Bay. And I tell you, he look really, really good. Mount Pleasant, the giant. Let me tell you something. Mount Pleasant not normal. This Mount Pleasant squad is not normal. Goal scorers, Jamari Nolan. I think that's Clever Nugent and Jaime Douglas. Nolan score a brace. Nolan score a free kick. I know, sir, I shall clip the free kick there now and put it up. I mean, I can't find the free kick and show the people. Let me say I can't find the free kick and show them. They did it to download. Let me see if I can find the free kick, people. Alright, so let's try to find a free kick. Free kick, free kick. Is it free kick this? I think I free kick this. Yeah, I supposed to free kick this, people. Yeah, man, look. I don't know why it's a blink blink. Why is it blink blink like that? This is a free kick, people. Oh no. Oh, no, that's not a free kick. My apologies. That's actually not a free kick. That's one play than second. I try to find a free kick. Oh, I can't find a free kick. What? All right, all right. Let me see. Nolan score in, well, in our show. In our show. Anyways, me can't find the free kick people. Anyway, I've got to check it up on page. But Mount Pleasant crazy team people. Um, so next up we have is Kingston Football Academy lost to Harborview 4-3. I mean, I tell you, say, Tyreek Robinson was crazy. 3 goals. Jamon Live for KFA. Kevard White. Kevard Wright and Alexia Ramsey for Kingston Football Academy. Tyreek Robinson with a brace. Ethan Larman and Asani Gutmore. Or the goal scorers for Harborview. But Tyreek Robinson, people, me I tell you, jeez, this youngster. Crazy. crazy talented. Interested to see what's going to do in a game, game week 3. All right, next up we have is, oh, my apologies. Next up on the agenda we have is the fixtures for next game week, which is tomorrow. Tune in on MG Sports Live tomorrow at 12 noon to see the games. And first game we have on the agenda. First game is Ballers versus KFA. These are the two teams who would definitely need to get some points on the board. So Ballers versus KFA at 12 noon. For me, probably for me, I think the game is probably a good draw. I think the game is probably a good draw. Next up on the agenda, we have at 2 p.m. we have Montego Bay versus Harborview. Now the Montego Bay team, I think they think Harborview are the likely team to win this one. Harborview, I think Tyreek Robinson might cause the Mobile defender some problems. Quite a few times Cavalier got through to the Montego Bay, but unfortunately couldn't be the keeper. If Tyreek Robinson come with his A game, I can see Harborview winning this game. Next up is Mount Pleasant versus Cavalier. What I think already. Anyway, I do think these two, from what I've seen, I do think that they are the two better teams I've seen so far. Alongside Harborview, I wonder why it's 1, 2, 3. I do believe though that Mount Pleasant is a little. I think Mount Pleasant is better. So at this present moment, I definitely would have to go Mount Pleasant for that one. Quite an interesting one. For me, I do think that we're expecting to see some good games. As I said, people tune in. Make sure someone tune in to 3 people. So anyway, we're not going further. I won't go any further. Big up on yourself. Smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys again. Tune in to not tomorrow, today. I'm gonna drop a video on Saturday. Big up on yourself, people. MG Sports TV out. God bless. Drop your prediction in the comment section. You know what I mean? You know what I think already.